In our last tutorial, we learned how to select shapes. We learned how to select multiple objects. And we learned how to change the color of the fill and the properties of the outline. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to cut, copy, and paste, manipulate the color and the properties of our objects a little bit more. So let's get started. There are several ways that you can copy an object when you want multiple objects. One way is by using your right click on your mouse. You right click, copy, right click again, and paste. Another way that you can do this is by selecting the object, going up to your top navigation bar, going under Edit, saying Copy, and then same place under Edit, Paste. A third way that you can copy and paste is by using the Control key on your keyboard, holding the Control key down, clicking on your shape, and just dragging that out. And a final way that you can copy an object is by selecting the object on your keyboard using Command C and then Command V for paste. When you cut an object, it's different from deleting it. When I click on this object, cut it, it disappears just as if you had clicked your delete button on your screen, but it holds it in the short-term memory or the clipboard of the computer. Now I can take this object and put it somewhere else. When I double-click on an object, I get this Format Shape screen over here on the right, and this gives me a lot more options on how to manipulate or format that shape. When I'm under the Bucket tool, I can change my shape now to have no fill, just like we did before, solid fill, and I can change the transparency of that solid fill right here very easily. I can change the gradient of an object, and you can play around with that. You can also put a picture or a texture fill into an object. Another thing that you can do, and this is my favorite, is you can change the pattern fill. So you can add stripes and polka dots, checkerboards, and lines into the fill of your shape. Underneath line, change the transparency and the way the joining is on some of these different lines. So play with that. Alright, we've learned how to cut, copy, paste, use the Format Shape bar over on the right hand side of your screen to further manipulate and change the color and line of your shapes.